Alright, I'm at Tokyo House in Little Rock. And if you're gonna get Chinese food, you don't need to go anywhere else. This is it. This is where it's at. This definitely is where it's at. They got everything you need, and including stuff you don't need. This has been the best buffet I've been to in quite some time. It's probably one of the cleanest, most organized. It's definitely my jam. Got all kinds of stuff to choose from. I got kimchi. So I guess it's like Japanese and Chinese and some Korean maybe all in one, but this place is seriously awesome. But yeah, this is where it's at, totally. Really don't need to go anywhere else.